What's up, everybody? Matt Romano, Legacy Custom Pools Regional Manager, and we're here on the Treasure Coast in Port St. Lucie, Florida, and we just finished another beautiful project. If you take a look around, you'll be able to see some of the beautiful detail that our crew has been able to do in just the course of 3 weeks. And this was a huge project. We're talking almost 7,000 square foot of travertine. We have 3,500 in the back and another 3,500 plus in the front as we finish their driveway. The customer wanted French silver travertine, so it's a French pattern. We gave them an infinity edge so the decking goes all the way to the pool with a beautiful Hawaiian blue Florida stucco surface. 10-year warranty on the surface, and this customer couldn't be any happier with his pool project. Brand new glass 1x2 tiles from Aquabella. It's just an amazing all-around renovation. We're so happy that we were able to serve him and his needs, and we're looking forward to helping you with your next pool project.